Guess what? I found some Ogic news that Albania officially owns the Gallipine Archipelago. Here's proof, all of you non-Ogis and cowboyisms. Haha, cry about it while this is the official because this is where your blood came from. And also cry it about it Nigayira Tua for supporting this country. Also, here is some news for you, Nigayira Tua. Base Malaysia will cooperate with Albania to conquer the entire land of Philippines. So what? Cry about it, all of you cowboyisms, because your allies will soon shatter.